Hello everyone. As we have received yesterday the notification of exam form filling process of summer 2021 from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, the most of the students of B Pharmacy are having the confusions regarding exam form filling. So here I will clear your all the confusions. First of all, I will clear that this exam form filling process of summer 2021 has been started only for the following courses, that is second year B Pharmacy semester 4, third year B Pharmacy semester 6 and final year B Pharmacy semester 8. This exam form filling process is not for the semester 1 of first year B Pharm course. Secondly, there is a confusion regarding subject selection for directly admitted second year students of academic year 2020-21. Since these students are currently present in the semester 4, they have to fill the exam form for summer 2021 examination. Let's see the demonstration of exam form filling process and clear the confusions of your subject selection for these lateral entry students. So let's start with the demo. For this exam form filling process, students have to log in at formfilling.dbartoapps.in/landing. The link is already given in the description box. You can check it. Here you have to click on student login. Enter the username, which is your 13-digit PRN number, which the students already received at the time of enrollment. The same PRN number you have to enter over here. Password is your registered mobile number which you have entered at the time of enrollment process. If the student has changed his password, then they can enter their password over here. After logging into the student account, here you can see the exam form tab is given for exam form filling. So you have to click on this exam form tab. Select the exam season, summer semester examination 2021. Click on exam form. Here you can see the list of subjects of your regular semester 4 are present, which is auto selected. All the theory and practical subjects are present over here. Students no need to select these subjects because these subjects are already auto selected. Just below these subjects, some non-university subjects are given, that is computer application in pharmacy, its theory and practical, and theory subjects of environmental science. So these are the non-university subjects of your semester 2. The direct second year students have to attempt these subjects of semester 2. The exams of these subjects will be conducted later on at institute level along with the first year students during their semester 2. But the students of direct second year have to select these subjects in addition to subject of semester 4. After selecting all these subjects, click on save and continue. So here the list of subjects which you have selected, that is displayed over here, and the exam fee is also displayed over here, that is 1000 rupees payment. So click on pay 1000. So here details of payee will be displayed along with the name, mobile number and email ID and your exam center. Click on this I accept terms and conditions. Click on proceed. Here the stepwise procedure is given from step 1 to step 4. Click on, you have to read all these steps and then click on read and understood. So here three options are given for the payment, that is credit card, debit card, net banking and UPI payments. Go for the credit card or debit card payments because the receipt will be generated immediately when you are doing the payment by using credit card and debit card. If you are doing the payment by using net banking or UPI payments, then it will take a time to update the payment status. So here I am selecting the payment by credit card or debit card. So here you have to fill your all the details, that is card number, name on the card, and click on continue. So here you have to enter the password which you have received on your registered mobile number and click on make the payment. So after completion of this payment, you will receive the auto generated receipt over here. So here you will receive the receipt which is auto generated. So this is the receipt of your payment. All the details along with your name, PRN number, examination name, your total amount which you have paid, all the things will be displayed over here. If you are not receiving the auto generated receipt, then you have to click on this OK button. So here you will get the option for download receipt. So here also you can download your receipt of your payment. So in this way you have to do your exam form filling process. Likewise, the students of second year, third year and final year B Pharmacy can do the exam form filling process in this manner. Regular students of second year B Pharmacy have to select only the subjects of their regular semester 4. They no need to select the subjects of non-university since you have given these subjects in your semester 2. The third year students of B Pharmacy have to select the subjects of their semester 6 and final year students of B Pharmacy have to select the subjects of their semester 8. And in this way, all the students of B Pharmacy course can do their exam form filling process for summer examination 2021. The link for this login is already given in the description box. You can check it. For any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope all the confusions I have cleared now. But still, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.